On Thursday, November 21, 2024, at 4:22 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, the Soyuz 2.1A rocket will launch from Site 316 at the Baikonur Cosmodrome in Kazakhstan. It will carry the Progress MS-29 cargo spacecraft to resupply the International Space Station. This marks the 182nd Progress flight. Derived from the Soyuz spacecraft, Progress weighs about 7 tons, measures 7.9 meters, and can transport up to 2.5 tons of cargo, including pressurized freight, gases, propellants, and liquids. Equipped with the Core's automatic docking system, it is not designed for return missions, except with a Raduga capsule.